In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up ClickUp so you can organize your work, manage tasks, and stay on top of everything from day one. Start by heading over to ClickUp in your browser. Once you're on the home page, click on Login, and if you're new, you can quickly sign up using your Google account to get started faster. After logging in, you'll land inside your workspace. This is your main dashboard where everything lives, including your projects, tasks, and documents. Think of it as your central hub for getting work done. Now look to the left sidebar and find your space. This is where you'll organize different areas of your work. Hover over it and click the plus icon to create a new folder. Give your folder a name based on your project so everything stays organized from the beginning. Once your folder is created, open it and add a list. This is where your actual workflow will live. Name your list something clear and simple so you always know what it's for. With your list ready, start adding tasks. Click on Add Task and enter what needs to be done. These tasks can be anything from small daily actions to bigger project steps. As you continue, you can add details like due dates, descriptions, or assignees to make your tasks more structured and easier to manage. Take a moment to organize everything so it feels clean and easy to follow. A well-structured setup makes a big difference when your workload grows. And that's it. You've successfully set up ClickUp and created a simple system to manage your projects, track tasks, and stay organized from the start.